Here I have Google Pixel 6 Pro with Android 13 installed, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this operational system. So firstly you have to open camera, and to take a burst shot you just have to record video of anything you want. I don't know, I'm just gonna throw this flower, record it as a video, and then you go to gallery, tap on 3 dots, and here you have shots in this video. So here you select any frame, which is basically like a shot from this video, and save it like this. As you can see, you have export frame, so you can only export this one, and basically this is the only way to take a burst shot on this device. There's no burst shot mode or anything. That's how it's done. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.